Hello guys, in this video we will be discussing about the method of factorization. So there are various methods for doing the factorization. In the previous video we have understood the concept of factorization. So we'll be taking up with some examples. So first method we'll be discussing. First method is basically by taking common factors. Common factors. So we can do factorization by various methods. So we'll be discussing one by one method. Okay, these are all important methods you need to remember, because in higher classes you will be using all these methods. So by taking common factors, so first thing we'll discuss by taking one small example. Suppose I take example as 2x plus 4. Correct. Now in this I have to see what is a common factor here. See, this is an algebraic expression given. It contains two terms. Correct. One is this term and one more is this term, second term. Now, so terms will have factors. So if I write 2x factors as 2 and x, this will be factors, right? For the 4 I can write 2 and 2, because factorization means what? Factors is basically the products of factors will form a term. 2 into 2 will give me 4, right? And what about this? 2 into x is 2x. Suppose you might ask me, why can I write 4 into 1? Yes, you can write 4 into 1, but the thing is that 4 is not a prime number. You can again factorize that. You can write 2 into 2. So it's better to write starting itself 2 into 2, because 2 is a factor. That means 2 we cannot again write it as a factorized form. 2 I cannot write it as 2 into 1 again and again, because it means the same thing. So it's better to write 4 as 2 into 2. Always remember, 2x is equal to what? 2 into x. Correct. Now in this you have to see what are the common factors. We have found out the first step in this method is that you have to find out the term. What are the terms? Then you have to factorize. You have to find the factors. 2x will be having factors as 2 and x. 4 factors will be 2 and 2. So what is the common factor? Common factor, you can see 2 is the common factor here. Correct. X is not the common factor. Okay, remember, only 1 2 from here and 1 2 from here will be the common factor. Now what you have to do here? Now you have to just write. So I can write 2x plus 4 as, take 2 outside because it is a common factor, then put one bracket, and see, when from this 2 I have taken out, so basically what is the remaining thing? X plus, if I take 2 from here, what is the remaining thing? 1 2. Correct? Yes or no? Correct. See, if I take this 2 out, what is the remaining? X. If I take this 2 out, what is the remaining? This 1 2 will be remaining. Correct? So I can write 2x plus 4 as 2 bracket x plus 2. See, when you multiply, so this will be what? Factorized form. Correct? This will be what? Factorized form. So if I suppose, if you see here, if I write these factors of this term, this is a term, right? I'll get 2 and x plus 2. This is not, again, we cannot reduce it. That means we cannot find the factors again for this. So this is nothing but irreducible factors. That means again you cannot reduce it. So first step is that, we'll revise it. First step is to find the terms in the algebraic expression given. Then you have to find the factors, from which you have to take one any of the terms common. If suppose common terms are there, common factors are there, you have to take common from that. Here in this case 2 was the common factor, so I have taken 2 out. Now what is the remaining? You have to see that. Suppose I have taken here 2 out because 2 is the common factor, so put one bracket. Then if 2 comes out, then what is the remaining thing? If 2 comes out, what is the remaining? Only x is the remaining. If this part comes out, what is the remaining then? 2. So I have written x plus 2. Why plus? Because here plus is there. Okay, remember that. So this is the answer, or we can say this is the factorized form of this algebraic expression. So we'll be taking one more example. So if I take 10x square minus 18x cube plus 14x power 4. Now first step is that you have to find the terms. So this is the first term, this is the second term, and this is the third term. Okay. Now for the first term, you have all the terms, you have to find the factors. How to find the factors? See here. So 10 is not a prime number, right? What are the factors out of 10? We can write it as 2 and 5, correct? So I can write 2, 5 and x. Why x here? Because x square is nothing but x and x, so x square factors will be x and x. That's it. Okay. Now if we consider here, if we multiply all the terms, I should get this term, right? So if I multiply all the factors, I should get the term. 2 into 5 is nothing but 10, correct? Then x into x, x square. So 10 into x square is 10x square. Okay, we got it. Now proceeding with this, so I'll just write it over here. 2, 5, x, x. Okay. Now for this minus so 18, I have to write it as, suppose I take, so 18 factors. What are the 18 factors here? 18 factors will be 6, 3, correct? 6 3s are 18, so 6 3 will be factors. Then 9 and 2, 9 2s are 18, so 9 and 2 will be factors. Then what else? Then 18 and 1 will be factors. Okay. So from this I'll take anything we can take. Suppose I take 6 and 3, so I can write it as, now remember minus sign is there. Okay, this minus sign is there, you have to take care of that. So I can write 6, 3 and what else? X. Why 3x? Because x cube, so x into x will be my this thing. Now remember one more thing here, that now 6, remember 6 is not a prime number, so again you have to factorize 6. I can write it as 2 and 3, but you have to see the minus sign, so put anywhere. You can put here also. Okay. Now so my last term will become what? Minus 2, 3, x, and one more 3 is there. Okay. Now when you multiply all these terms, all these factors, I should get this term, right? So minus 2 into 3, what is that? Minus 6. Minus 6 into 3 is 18. Minus 18 into x cube, so I'll get minus 18 into x cube. Okay. Now moving on to the 14x power 4. So basically 14x power 4 is what basically you see here. 14 I can write 2 7. Okay, 2 7, right? 2 7s are 14, so I'll just replace this by 14, this thing, 2 7 x power 4, so x. Okay. Now I got all the factors. Now what you have to see? You have to see the common between them. Common factors. What is the common factor? So you might have observed, see here x is common, x is also there, x is also there. Here two x's are there. See, two x terms, x factors are there. Here also two x factors, here also two x factors. So I can take 2x as common, that means not 2x, x square as common. So I can take x square as common. What else I can take? 2 is there, 2 is there, and again here 2 is there. I can take 2 also as common, so I can write 2x square, correct? So I can take 2x square as common. What is remaining? Remaining term will be here 2x square I have taken common. So this part gone, this part gone. What is remaining? 5 is remaining, right? 5, correct? Now here 2 has gone, 2 x's are also gone. Now what is remaining? This x and 3 3. What is 3 3s are? 3 3s are is 9, 9 1 x. So 1 minus sign is there, so minus 9x. Now here 2x gone, remaining is 2x and 1 2, this also gone, so 7 into x square, so plus 7 into x square. So this will be the final answer.